everybody. It's Terri and Ditza from Atlanta Diamond Design. So excited to be here with you because we just got a package. And
we're here on a Sunday, which, happens more frequently as we get closer to the holidays.
Jorge Revilla.
Oh, I have a picture.
Spain.
This is, hold on. This is us. Maybe you saw this on social media. This is us with Jorge at the Cobb Galleria when we met him at the Atlanta Jewelry Show. And you could see we're smiling. I'm smiling, and Terry's smile looks very hesitant because we are shopping.
Spent money. But when it came in, and I started pulling it out of the box, you go, we got to start showing everybody now. But my job is going to start when I put it in the system. But let's start showing you.
Mine first.
Okay, there we go.
Look at that. This one's mine. If you want one, you have to get your own. This is a labradorite bezel set. So Jorge works in vermeil. The difference between vermeil is plated sterling silver. They guarantee their plating for life. The reason it's called vermeil, you have to have sterling silver as the base in order to call it vermeil. That's why it's not just simply gold plated. And it has to be a certain thickness to qualify for that label. They guarantee it for life. So it's just got this beautiful 18 karat color without the price. So let's show them what's your first and favorite to show.
So here is another one, not quite.
Mine's bigger.
Right. But you can get the bigger one. But again, look at the coloring of labradorite.
I know it really has a depth of color.
So those who like sets, how about the ring?
So the bracelet that she showed was $625, and this is $310. What's cool about this ring, if you do it, yeah, there you go. You got it in focus. It's a great size too. So if you look at the bottom, the actual size is adjustable just by pushing and pulling. So you don't have to pay to get it sized. But look at how big it is. That's great. So it's a statement piece, but for $310. So a statement piece that's very easy to make.
Sticking with the labradorite, we got it. There it is. It's even got a dingle dangle. You know me, I love that.
Look at how it's so beautiful. This is checkerboard cut. You see the triangles. And then it has an apatite little accent.
And this is $228. And last but not least, we have earrings. I took one out. Oh, it's got little dingle dangle on it too. Is it in focus?
Yeah.
You got it? Yeah.
A little further back. You got it. Really pretty.
$218.
So he doesn't just do gemstones. We also pulled out these because they're glorious and gigantic.
I went, when I pulled it out. I bet this is one that Izzy picked out.
Oh yeah, Izzy's into the big stuff. So, and look, it has a nice, thick, big back. It's a winner. So the earrings are $358. It has a matching necklace, $235.
What do you want to show?
Let's go like a circle. Look, here we are. Wait, I know that's the next for sure.
My favorite.
She's right. Okay, so this is the necklace. This stone is called apatite, and its color is to die for. Oh, can you notice? I like this color. So this apatite necklace, and it comes with an adjustable chain with stations. This is $243, and it has matching earrings again with a nice. So this is a stud dangle with a nice thick back. Oh, whoops. There it is. So these are $270. What do you want to do that
I
next?
have to do this because, man, I really fell in love with this. Let's see, how does it look? Am I in? Not quite. There we go. I'm in focus. Again, when it's got 3 rows. You can get one a little bit bigger, I believe. What I like about
it
these,
has 5 rows.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, yours has more than.
I know, it's crazy. Mine is a little bit crazy.
Okay, for my wrist, this would be perfect. I was worried it wouldn't fit, but it is adjustable. It has amazonite, prasiolite, which some call a green amethyst. What else does it have?
Apatite.
Apatite.
So it
Love
has
the
this,
green, so pretty.
this like sea theme
Seafoam,
color
yeah.
scheme. It's very cool, pretty edgy, but also it's just a very pretty piece. I love it. So yeah, that one is also like
So if you
600
like,
something.
It is
25?
$6.25. And a ring. If you like matching.
So
here's some,
trendy with the hexagon, also amazonite.
$160. What a great price to have some fun jewelry.
We couldn't resist.
And I had to take this out too. It is checkerboard cut. This is what they, the prasiolite, or what they call the green amethyst. How am I doing there? Okay, you pull it.
Again, the checkerboard cut with the bezel, the 18 karat yellow gold. It's so beautiful and rich.
I wanted to show this also because it's a little bit of a smaller size for those who like to have a smaller size stone.
So, I mean, you can make a suite with, you know, a lot of these pieces, and it's a very innocent suite compared to, you know.
Pull the bracelet
We
out.
got this bracelet in like 5 colors. This is rose quartz. So this bracelet is $433. It's a toggle. It is a beautiful statement piece. Very nice.
I know we also have
bracelet.
amethyst in this one.
Labradorite.
And moonstone. I know we got moonstone too. So these are really fun colors. They have, we have rings and we have earrings also.
So last but not least, and this is, I mean, we just pulled out a sampling. We couldn't show you everything. We just wanted to make a quick, like, unboxing. So Jorge made this very chic, affordable line of birthstone jewelry. So I had to show you the May emerald. This is a genuine emerald necklace. Oops, backwards. A sweet, again, like a faceted emerald. Oh, there we go. A sweet faceted emerald necklace in a 18 karat yellow gold bezel. So the necklace is $115. A genuine emerald for $115. That's like unheard of. Not in our store, not until now.
All right, so I've got this right. This is the earrings
Backwards.
that go. Are they backwards?
So every set has
Sorry.
earrings and necklace.
And a necklace.
So that's again the
And
emerald.
it's a hoop.
It's kind of dark.
That
But yeah, you get it.
dangles. How cute is that oval? And it comes with every month. We
So
pulled out.
The earrings for the emerald are
Oh, that's right.
100.
23.
See, so they open like that. It's very easy to put on. So this is, the earrings are 123 for the emerald.
And I pulled out opal because it's still the opal month. So here are the earrings. Is it back? Here it is. Okay.
So these are the only, I think
Oh.
maybe the only ones that are actually
Drop them.
cabochon, like a,
Oh, yeah.
Cut.
The other ones are.
a lot of them are faceted, but opal, you know, is opal, so it's different.
Here's the bracelet.
You know, it's
the
really
necklace.
hard to photograph opal, but you have to trust us on this one. It has a beautiful play of color. The
I pulled it out. It's
the
still
earrings
October.
are 185. The necklace is 173, and for genuine opal, that is quite a price.
It's still October, so I'm going to put these in first. Somebody's still interested. And the last but not least is sapphire.
We just had to show that there was such a thing as sapphire for $148 for the.
These are bezel set, all bezel
Well, the
set.
necklace is 138. The earrings are 148.
I love the little dangles, but everybody knows that by now.
It's just a very handsome gift, and the price is right. There's so many more pieces we can show. There's moss agate, which is so special and unique. It's just a very special and unique line. I think he did an amazing job with this, with his latest stuff.
We had way too much fun with him. So I can't wait to put it all in the system and get it out to show you. It'll be taking place, it'll have its own little space in a showcase coming soon. We will let you know.
All right, have a happy Sunday, everyone. Maybe
Bye,
by
everyone.
the time you see this, happy Monday. I'll see when I can upload it.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.